Welcome back to Math Unlocked. This is episode 6 of our complete algebra series. We are now into intermediate territory. In episode 5, we learned how to factorize expressions. Today we use that skill to solve quadratic equations, finding the actual values of x that make the equation true. Chapter 1. What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation has x squared as its highest power. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. The key difference from what we did in episode 5, this time we have an equals 0 and we are finding x. Chapter 2, the zero product rule. This is the most important rule in this episode. If two things multiply to give 0, then at least one of them must be 0. If a times b equals 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0. This is why we factorize. Once we have two brackets multiplying to give 0, we can find x instantly. Chapter 3, Step-by-Step Method. Read through these steps because these are the steps that we will use to solve the quadratic equations. Chapter 4, Basic Worked Examples. Example 1, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Step 1 is already done. It already equals 0. Step 2, we factorize. Step 3, we apply the zero product rule. Step 4, we solve for x. So x is negative 2 or x is negative 3. Two solutions, both are correct. Example 2, x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So it already equals 0. Then we factorize. We apply the zero product rule. And then we solve for x. Always remember to substitute your values back in to confirm your answer. Another example, x squared minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. We factorize. If you don't remember how to factorize, you can go back to the previous episode where I have explained how to factorize expressions. So our answer is x is equals to 3 or x is equals to negative 2. Chapter 5, Rearranging to equals 0. Sometimes the equation doesn't start with equals 0. X squared plus 3x equals 10. We must rearrange to equals 0 first. Subtract 10 from both sides. Then now we can apply our steps. So we factorize. Then we apply the zero product rule and solve for x. Another example, x squared is equals to 9. Subtract 9 from both sides. This is a difference of two squares. So our answer is either negative 3 or 3. Chapter 6, Difference of two squares. A special pattern worth knowing. A squared minus b squared always equals a plus b into a minus b. X squared minus 16 always equals x plus 4 into x minus 4. X squared minus 25, x plus 5 into x minus 5. Chapter 7, Common Mistakes. Mistake 1. Not rearranging to equals 0 first. You cannot solve a quadratic equation if the equation doesn't equal 0 first. Mistake 2. Stopping after factorizing without solving for x. We don't stop after we have factorized. We have to find the value of x. Mistake 3. Forgetting there are two solutions. Most quadratics have two answers. You should write both of them. That's it for episode 6. Here's a summary of what we have learned. A quadratic has x squared as its highest power. Standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Episode 6 is complete. In episode 7, we tackle the quadratic formula, what to do when factorizing doesn't work. Subscribe and follow Math Unlocked for more.